This is my tutorial on Dia, and it's a basic orientation how to get started with it. So first I'm going to open Dia, and if you're not familiar with this, it is a diagram creating open source tool. So you are able to create any type of diagram that you need to, either a really technical one or it could be a really simple one. I'm going to do a really simple one for my example today. It's very similar to Poplet in the diagram sense, but Poplet does limit the amount of diagrams you are allowed to make before you have to start paying for more space. And since Dia is open source, it doesn't do that. So it is a better option so you don't have to delete all of your diagrams that you put a lot of hard work into. So when you open Dia, this is the screen that you will get. It's pretty simple. I don't feel like it's super overwhelming or cluttered. If you come over to the left-hand side, you'll see your shapes. I have it set up to a basic flowchart, but if you click the arrows, you have more options. So it automatically comes with these three options. The assorted is just like really fun, different shapes. UML is more of your technical ones that you might use for math or science or something like that. And then if you click other sheets, you have access to other databases as well. So let's just click civil. You'll get some really funky shapes. I was playing around earlier and just added database and ER just to see what they looked like because I was curious. So we're going to go back to flowchart. And so you'll click on whatever shape you want. And then it's just a really simple drag and drop. And you can start typing away. So this might be like my main point, what my overall essay or paragraph or whatever I'm going to be doing is about. And if you want to edit your circle, you'll double click it and you'll get all of these different options. So you'll have line width, color, fill color if you want it to be a different color other than white. You can have a draw background. You can change the line style, so you can make it dotted. You can change the text padding, the font type and size, and the color as well, and how you want it aligned. So center, left, right, all of that fun stuff. When you're done, you'll click apply and then OK, and it'll be however you chose to do it. To add a line to make a connection, you'll come over here to the left where you get all of these different options. And you have different line options. You have a curve, just a simple line, a squiggle, one with sharper corners. I'm just going to do a simple line. So you'll click on that, and then you will drag your line however far out you need to. And you can also, if you double click on the line, you can change different things about the line as well. So you'd hit apply and then OK. And then you can just keep adding your shapes to make those connections. So this might be point one, something about cats or whatever your main topic was. I thought something else that was really cool is you can add images to this if you needed to. So you just click the image little icon over here, and then you just drag it and then double click that, and you'll have the option to browse whatever images you have. I just thought this was a really good alternative for students in school because Poplet is really limited on your space, and this program Dia lets you design whatever type of diagram you need. It's not limiting at all, and I thought that was really helpful, especially for a school setting and for students.